It's Christmas time, and what do you do for Christmas? Got that old Christmas ham. And boy, do I have a nice, beautiful ham to show you guys today. I've never done a smoked ham before on my channel. A lot of other people do it. I haven't. Today is your lucky day. My old buddies over at Bright Leaf sent me this ham. It is a great ham. We actually had one for Thanksgiving. Now, traditionally in my house, we don't do ham for Thanksgiving. We normally just do turkey. I know a lot of people will do hams and turkeys. This year we actually did a ham and a turkey. My mother and father-in-law came down and they like ham over turkey. All good. I got 2 hams. The cool thing about hams is you really don't have to do a whole lot. The ham's out the gate. I mean, this is a spiral sliced ham. You could eat it just like this if you wanted to. It's up to you, and it's probably pretty good. But we're gonna church it up a little bit, okay? We're gonna church it up. One thing I wanna know, there's usually, yep, you wanna try to take that out. It's a little cover for the bone right there. I just wanna come in and make just a few more slits. That's gonna help open things up just a little bit more, because we're gonna put a rub on it, and then we're gonna put that beautiful sauce glaze on it also. Boy, it's gonna be some good groceries. People at your dinner, the Andersons, the Smiths, they're gonna eat this ham, they're gonna be like, dang it, boy. Karen is just gonna come out of her dang high heels. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm gonna tell you who else likes ham. That's this thing right here, Maggie girl. She knows that ham bone. She's like, you gonna get that ham bone for me, cuz? What's up? Nope, this ham bone's going in a pot of beans, baby girl. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of a binder on it. I'm gonna bind it with some honey Dijon mustard. So a little Dijon. Squirt a little bit on this. So I'm doing this side first because it's going to go down onto my cookie sheet. I got a little bit of rub. Just use whatever rub you like. I needed to use this stuff. It's about gone. Just trying to use it all. This has got a little bit of honey in it. Y'all let me know down below. Are you a ham guy? Are you turkey? You prime rib for Christmas? We always like to have a ham for Christmas, but we also like to have a prime rib for Christmas too. Come on. Now we're just going to come in here with this rub, liberally rub it down. I can't wait to tell y'all about this sauce. This little glaze we're gonna make, but it's gonna be slamming. Nice, beautiful Bright Leaf ham about to go down. We're gonna cook it over on our Z-Grill's pellet grill smoker. We're running 275. The pellets, I think, is like a Pit Boss kind of pellet. I get them for Walmart. It's like a competition blend. And like I said, 275. You know, when it starts hitting maybe 120, 130, we're gonna glaze it. But let's head on over to the smoker. All right, we're gonna stick this in the smoker. Again, 275. We're gonna probe it here. We're gonna give it about an hour or so. See where it's at. Until then, y'all chill out for a minute. Come on back. Again, we got that glaze. Also want to thank my members over on the live stream that I have going. We're live streaming pretty much this whole cook. We got this cook, got some other cooks going on. So if you really want to do that, feel free. There's a join button down below. Become a member. You get some pretty cool perks. We give things away, get some behind the scenes footage, a little bit more access to myself. So check it out. I think you'll like it. Now it's time to talk about this super secret sauce. Super secret sauce. Glaze. Sauce or glaze? Sauce or glaze. Oh. Either way, it's a glaze. We're gonna put it on our ham. It's gonna be delicious. Deliciousness. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Every holiday, every Christmas time, my old buddies over at Cheerwine comes out with this Cheerwine punch. So we're gonna have to do a Cheerwine glaze for this ham. It's gonna be good groceries. Cheerwine is highly carbonated, so you gotta be real careful. So look, it's open and that sucker's wanting to come out. Not really doing much measuring. We're gonna put about a cup or so, and we're gonna reduce this by a pretty good amount, okay? And it'll reduce really well because there's a lot of sugar into that. We got our Cheerwine sauce going right there, so we need to add. It's not, I mean, it's sweet already, but we're trying to make this into a nice glaze, and we want it to reduce a lot and get real nice and syrupy. So we're just gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, okay? A little brown sugar. I'm gonna add some of this stuff right here from this cat daddy. Oh, cat daddy Hussey right here. Oh, heifer dust, okay? Just gonna come in and Stir this around, let it get nice and incorporated. Gonna dump the rest of this barbecue rub, dump it in there. We're gonna stir this around. We're gonna let this just sit here and just reduce for about 10-15 minutes, all right? All right, guys, I've had this sauce on the black zone for, I don't know, probably about 45 minutes. Had it up in the corner, and it's just been kind of going low and slow. But look at this now, it is nice and reduced. It's very sweet because, well, it's reduced, it's concentrated. So we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar to cut through that sweetness. We're using apple cider vinegar to this. And that's just gonna give it a little bit of tang. It's gonna cut through that sweetness so good. Boy, I smell that, boy, it smells so good. Perfect. That right there is so perfect. All right, guys, we're gonna head over to the smoker. We're gonna give this ham a little glaze, all right? A little tight in here, we got crap everywhere. Let's see where we're at. Ooh, she's looking good, but she needs a little bit of this right here on her. Look at this. Let's just pour a little bit of it on there and let it just kind of run down onto that tray. Ooh, boys. Boys and girls. Let's give this a little rotate so we can get this other side. There we go. All right. We really want to put a nice crust on this. We want this ham to be nice and crusty. Those crispy tidbits on the edges are just exactly what I love. We're going to use our grill gun. Fire it up. We hit it with our grill gun, but we still got more of this glaze. Now we could probably do this, glaze it again, and then hit it with the grill torch again. Really, you know, enhance that glaze. But I don't think we're going to. I want to leave it kind of sloppy. It kind of gives it a nice sheen, kind of like Charlie. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Charlie. All right, y'all, I'd say this ham's done. Boy, look at this ham. Dang it, boy. That is a pretty ham, let me tell you. Old Cheerwine Glaze, something good, let me tell you. Son, I can't wait to sink my teeth in that. All right, we got our glaze. We got that on there. We hit it with our blowtorch. That's always fun. Now let's get this thing off the rack. Let's give it a little slicey slice. And let's give it a little try. I've been wanting this all day long. It's a spiral ham, so you really don't have to slice it much. And when you cook it a little bit longer, it just kind of falls apart. So I don't even have to slice it. I'm gonna give this a try. Son, that Cheerwine Glaze is something. That right there, that's the ticket right there. Dang it, boy. Got a little crunch to it. Man. Honey child. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pull this apart. We're gonna get some more flavor. Look, our glaze, it's kind of cool out. I mean, it's like paste now. It's a little chilly out today. Not too bad. Jacob's been complaining just a little bit. I need to get this glaze warmed up a little bit. I got more in there. It up a little bit. Oh yeah. Now we get a little bit of that glaze in all those folds right there. All right, now let's give this a try. Oh. Oh my gosh, Maggie, girlfriend, try some of this, girl. Y'all, this ham is phenomenal. You know what else I like? Bloopers. There we have it. Did you get that good, Jacob?
Yeah.
Nice, beautiful. Whew. Well, that was a sharp knife and about cut my finger. No.
That's good.
You ready? Yeah.
Probably will.
Think so? Yeah. All right. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It's got a little twang to it, you know, kind of like a little zest, little, you know, lemon. It's tangy, a little more tangy.
Yeah. Notice if it goes off. All you have to do is eat it anyway.
There we go. I see it. Okay. All right. That's what I keep hearing. It's the dang dog. Sound like a dang swing set going wink, wink, wink. Karen is going to go outstanding. What?